Today I am going to turn this cube into an apple cube. Stay till the end for a full experience. So let's begin. First, we are going to disassemble the cube. And we will clean it like this. We are going to use a wipe and some paper towel. Clean everything, also the core. After it, assemble the cube like this. Oh, this is super fast now. Time to lube it. Some weight 5 lube. Now, slow LOL. Time to add some weight 1 lube. All the products that I am using in this video are linked down in the description. Check it out. Now it's perfect. Now the moment you all been waiting for. Tadia! Now we have an apple cube. Let's do an apple solve. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and smash that subscribe button. Peace.